This is one of the most impressive luxury motorhomes on the planet. This is the stunning double-decker Sky Palace, a custom $4.5 million mansion on wheels. With its bold white and silver body, massive upper glass balcony, and external staircase, this rolling palace turns heads everywhere it goes. Parked here, in a premium showroom, its presence is absolutely commanding. Step inside the main floor and you enter a world of luxury. Spacious living area with premium leather seating, high ceilings, and abundant natural light pouring in through large windows. This open layout makes entertaining or relaxing feel like you're inside a high-end mansion. The gourmet kitchen features modern cabinetry, premium appliances, and plenty of counter space for serious cooking while traveling. Designed with both style and practicality in mind, this kitchen allows you to prepare meals at the same standard as your home kitchen. Take the beautifully designed internal staircase up to the second level. The multi-level layout provides excellent separation between living spaces and private areas. This staircase is not only functional but also adds to the luxurious open feel of the entire coach. Up on the upper deck, you discover the highlight, a stunning private glass-enclosed lounge with direct access to the large outdoor balcony. This elevated space offers panoramic views while driving or when parked. It's the perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The master bedroom is a true sanctuary with a large, comfortable bed, premium bedding, and generous storage. Soft lighting and big windows create a peaceful environment where you can rest after a long day of traveling in ultimate style. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with modern fixtures, spacious shower, and high-quality finishes. Every detail in this motorhome has been chosen to provide resort-level comfort no matter where you park. From the spacious main living area to the gourmet kitchen up to the private upper deck with its glass balcony, this double-decker motorhome offers hundreds of square feet of intelligently designed luxury living space. It completely redefines full-time luxury RV living. Whether displayed in a luxurious showroom or cruising down the highway, this custom double-decker Sky Palace stands in a class of its own. With its signature upper glass balcony, external stairs, and premium build quality, this 2026 level motorhome represents the pinnacle of luxury travel. This incredible double-decker motorhome combines the freedom of the road with the comfort and space of a luxury mansion. Perfect for full-time RVers, digital nomads, or anyone who wants to travel without sacrificing lifestyle. The engineering, design, and attention to detail make this coach worth every bit of its multi-million-dollar price tag. The upper glass balcony alone sets it apart from 99% of motorhomes on the market today. Add the external staircase, spacious interiors, and high-end finishes, and you have a vehicle that truly feels like a palace on wheels. If you enjoyed this detailed tour of the double-decker Sky Palace motorhome, drop a like and let me know in the comments. Would you love to own a luxury double-decker like this? What feature impressed you the most? Subscribe to Apex Auto Vault and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury motorhome tours. We bring you the biggest, most expensive, and most unique RVs from around the world. Thank you for watching. Safe travels and stay luxurious. See you in the next video.